huge privilege to have versatile actor Arshad Varsi with us here on the sets of Welcome to Karachi in Southampton, UK. It's a huge pleasure to have you back on Panorama first of all. And welcome to Karachi. How does it feel?
Welcome to Karachi.
About the film.
It's very nice. It's a lovely concept. I liked. The first time when I heard it, I thought it was a very good idea of having two silly guys, stupid people, harmless people, innocent people, naive people, land up in a land like Karachi with no paperwork, no passport, and being Indians.
Right.
So the concept I thought was very interesting, and therefore, chalo karte hain. I'm sure a lot of people have asked me why UK, for a film that is called Welcome to Karachi.
Right.
तो ये तुम्हारा शायद अगला सवाल होगा. नहीं मैं जवाब दे देता हूँ वैसे भी. मेरे साथ में what I feel is the fact that the maximum amount of Pakistanis you will find either in Pakistan or in New York, US or in England. इंग्लैंड करीब पड़ता है, US बहुत दूर पड़ता है, पाकिस्तान आउट ऑफ क्वेश्चन हो जाता है. तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे एंड ताज्जुब और सरप्राइज की बात है कि मैं खुद I could not believe that we will be able to pull this off. Washington will be able to pull this off, but he did. And if you see the film, you'll realize that I don't think anywhere you will feel that कि हम UK focus करें Karachi.
Irfan Khan was supposed to do this film earlier. You worked with him before in Sunday, and I think
Crazy Four.
Crazy Four with Sunday. I think I personally felt आप लोग की chemistry बहुत ही कमाल करी. With Irfan not doing the film, do you think there's been a bit of a setback in a way?
Yes, in a way, yes, in a way, no. I was under the impression that Irfan होगा और मैं होगा, तो the film has a different feel because Irfan and me both known to be people who choose their subject wisely.
Right.
And क्या कहते हैं, a little slightly serious film है, not extremely commercial film. तो वो सोच हमारी अलग है. So because of that, it sounded very interesting. Yes, it would have been great fun if Irfan was here and both of us were doing the film. It would be great. But अगर नहीं हुआ किसी बात से, but somewhere down the line, I think Jackie ने वो कमी पूरी तरह से पूरी कर दी है.
जी.
और मेरे हिसाब से Jackie was the best option because of the fact that he knew the script very well. Because उसी के ऑफिस से आ रही है, उसी के प्रोडक्शन हाउस से आ रही है, तो he knew about the script. He was the best choice. And yes, he's done a fantastic job.
Ashish Mohan, you worked with him as an assistant to Rohit Shetty in quite a few films, like Golmaal, Sunday में भी आपने साथ में काम किया. Him turning a director, क्या आपका मतलब how's the experience of working?
See, he comes from Rohit Shetty's school, which is a very exciting, commercial, entertaining institute. You know what I mean?
Right.
So Rohit makes that kind of movies. He makes movies for the masses. So therefore, when you come to his assistants, they also somewhere have that thing about them.
Sure.
Ashish is again the same way. He's a very commercial director. He's hardcore commercial. Scale बड़ा हो और गाड़ियाँ उड़ रही हैं और chases है and humor है and all those things, गाने. So yes, it is that commercial which I think is very nice. मजा आता है. You enjoy watching it.
बिल्कुल. आपने कुछ दिन पहले भी अपने ट्वीट किया था कि that the way Indians and Pakistanis live in UK, I think हिंदुस्तान और पाकिस्तान सीख सकते हैं कि how you can possibly.
Really, it's very amazing because यहाँ पे ऐसा है कि यहाँ पे कोई फर्क ही नहीं है कि आप पाकिस्तानी हो इंडियन. It really does not matter. They work together, they live together, they are friends, they hang. सब कुछ सही है despite of the issues that the countries have. कहीं पे I wish we didn't have these issues, and कहीं पे I wish this thing would be resolved, solved, however, but it should be done.
We saw you shooting for a boat song with some beautiful ladies in the middle of the sea,
scantily dressed
on a yacht. So how was that experience?
It's fine. I've done these things often. But I was feeling bad for the girls. I was really feeling bad for them because it was freezing cold. और मैंने क्या कहते हैं टी-शर्ट और ये पहन रखा है और हमें ठंडी लग रही थी. वो they were in these little घाघरा चोलीज which are so tiny, and they were feeling extremely good. I was feeling bad, and they are professional dancers, so they were good. And I think visually वो गाना बहुत कमाल का लगेगा.